And look at them go. We've been watching Daily Plaza just outside of our studio today, where crews appear to be shooting a television show. There is no official word on what they're shooting, but we've seen flags with bats on them. Could be Batman? Robb Ellis?
I think it might be Batwoman. I saw a motorcycle out there.
All right, there you go.
She rides a motorcycle. We'll see.
You're going to need skis on your motorcycle.
Yeah, you will, because we definitely have a lot of snow coming in. I want to get to the easy part of the forecast. I did this earlier, then I'll get to the tough part of the forecast. Clouds moving in. The rain is farther to the south and west. That's where the next system is coming from, and it's the one that brings us a decent chance of some heavy snow for some of you, but not for all of you, and it is a complex forecast. So the good news here is if you're planning your forecast for work, or you're planning your trip to work tomorrow, you don't have any issues overnight for the morning commute. Just a few clouds rolling in near freezing. You'll get through a good portion of the day before the rain arrives, but by the time we get into the evening commute, the rain will be here. Temperatures still above freezing and well above freezing, so that's a bit of good news. We get through your Monday morning commute fine. The evening commute, even that's not terrible, as the rain will be lifting in from south to north, but if you're, say, south of the city, I think you'll have a decent chance at a wet commute for tomorrow evening. After that, it's all about the rain-snow line. You know, this isn't a scenario where we've got the temperatures cold enough for snow for everyone. It's just kind of nailing down where the heaviest snow is going to be. It's really nailing down where this rain-snow line is going to set up. That's the type of system that this is. The latest data that I have actually shifts that rain-snow line about where I've been saying it's going to be. Earlier data for our 5:30 show, if you saw that, pushed it way down to the south. It's now moved back and forth, and it's going to meander a little bit as new data comes in. We expect that, but it's also why I, as a forecaster, don't make a lot of knee-jerk reaction when it comes to new data coming in. I like to assess it and see. Here's Thursday afternoon, where I think we're going to have probably some of the heaviest snow, maybe in some bands from maybe the northwest suburbs and points to the north and west. That's the latest thinking, but if you move things just a little bit, it changes everything as far as how much snow you'll see. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We do have a very heavy amount of snow that could be possible in our northwest communities or even into Wisconsin. This is one model that's spitting out maybe about an inch or two for most of you until you get on the north side of the city, and then it ramps up pretty quickly. Let me show you a different model that really illustrates this point, where it has that rain-snow line basically setting up right over the city. So you basically chop the city in half. The north side gets 6 to maybe as much as a foot of snow. The south side gets almost nothing. Don't pay attention to the exact numbers here. Don't do that, because this is going to change a good bit, but understand that that's the pattern that we're going to see. Some of you have a good chance of maybe an inch or 2 or maybe 3, but that's going to ramp up significantly. So if you're farther north and west of the city, you have a pretty good chance, a moderate chance of some heavy snow, a higher chance of some heavy snow if you're, say, in Lake County or McHenry County. That's why the winter storm watch is in place for those counties, also for Kane and DeKalb County. Those are likely going to be upgraded to winter storm warnings at some point. The big question is going to be what's going to happen with Cook and DuPage County. I think they're going to at least go under a winter weather advisory, but there's a good chance that if that northern part of Cook County, the north side, the northwest suburbs are going to get 6 inches of snow, the National Weather Service will pull a trigger on a winter storm warning by tomorrow just to account for that. So that's something to keep your eye on for tomorrow.
We will be watching. Thank you, Rob.